Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through dock maintenance for the Mova Z60 UItra Roller Complete. If you're interested in the Z60, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, let's start with the top of the station. Up here you'll notice we have our clean and dirty water tanks right at the top. Those are removable, very easy to wash and clean both of these tanks out. You'll definitely want to make sure that you're keeping up on the dirty water tank to prevent any odor or grime buildup, so stay on that one. And every once in a while, as you see fit, you can always clean out the clean water tank as well to make sure everything's nice and fresh there. Looking at the top with the water tanks removed, we have a little drain at the bottom, so make sure that's not clogged. Same with these areas up at the top. Simple and straightforward to wipe that down as needed. Moving further down the station towards the middle, we have this removable cover. Just pull it out towards you. That reveals our solution tank here. There's nothing to do here besides continuing to refill your solution as needed. I guess every once in a while, if you wanted to rinse and clean this, you could do that. You can keep an eye on the inside there, but very maintenance free for that. Vacuum bag, when it's full, time to empty. You can clean in here. Same with this channel where all the contents come out of. You can give that a nice clean and then take your new fresh vacuum bag and get that installed. Now, moving on to the bottom here, charging contacts. This is where water comes in. There's not much to do here because this station cleans itself. But with that being said, there is a removable tray that pops right out that you can wash and clean as needed. And you could wipe down inside as well with that tray removed if you notice any residue or anything building up right there. And off to the side, this is where the self-empty happens, so you can make sure that that's free from any clogs or obstructions. And for those wondering, the ramp itself is removable. It just snaps on and off, so you can just pull that ramp off if you notice any debris or anything in here, and you can rinse that off. It's just plastic. But that's it. It's really a station that takes care of itself.